Welcome back. This weekend we are camping at Hilton Head RV Resort. This is on one of only two RV campgrounds on Hilton Head Island. The other one is exclusively for Class A motorhomes, and the one we are at now allows other travel trailers. So there's some quirks about this RV resort that have come up in the last couple of years. They do not allow fifth wheels or pull behind travel trailers that have slide outs. Technically the rule is you can't be over 8 feet wide, which is going to eliminate anything with a slide out. I'll get into that a little more, but this campground is beautiful. This is our fourth summer in a row to camp there. It is a beautiful campground, lots of mature trees and shade, and even though the sites aren't that far apart from each other, you feel very secluded in a lot of them because of the shrubbery and palm trees and hardwood trees. It's a good mix, and the place is really immaculate. A couple of big pools, there's a restaurant on site, and then they have water sports that you can take advantage of too if you're so inclined. So it's a beautiful campground. I'll show you some more, and hope you enjoy. So Hilton Head Harbor RV Resort, as I said, really pretty campground. Everything is paved, fairly large lots. We particularly like this corner lot because it is a pull-through, lots of space, and it is right across from the entrance to one of the pools, so that's very convenient. The campground itself is located on the northern end of the island, just after you cross over the bridge to enter the island, and it's set up, kind of large, several circles, and there's a pool in the middle and one close to the harbor. But the landscaping and trees and everything make this park really beautiful. There's one pool in the middle of the campground. They've got plenty of seating and umbrellas around the pool, and it's adjacent to a bathhouse and a laundry facility as well. They also have a hot tub there, and it does have some seating, and that was a pretty popular place in the evening times. A lot of campers would take advantage of the hot tub. And then there is a pool near the front of the campground that's right on the water, on the harbor. And this pool is really nice, especially if you can hit it at just the right time, because the views of the sunset over the harbor at this campground are phenomenal. Really great photo opportunities of some sunsets. Each lot there is individually owned, so you'll find some that have outdoor seating there on the campsite for you, or a propane grill, or maybe a fire pit, propane fire pit. But we do really enjoy it, and the site that we've stayed on for a couple of years in a row, I believe, and it's worked out good for us. And we were blessed with beautiful weather when we were there too. The only downside of the campground is they don't have beach access, so you do have to drive to a public beach. But we are blessed enough to have some friends who own a property in one of the local beach resorts, and so they give us a car pass and a beach pass, and we're able to take advantage of that. And it's about a 15-minute ride from the campground, but it's not that bad. And then because we have beach access at that resort, then we also have access to the pool area, which is super convenient because the public beaches don't have a pool. And my girls like to go back and forth, from beach to pool all day. And we do go to the beach about every day while we're there, even though we have to drive. And then we have some eating establishments there on Hilton Head that we love. San Miguels is a Mexican restaurant located at Shelter Cove on the island, and it's probably our favorite Mexican food restaurant anywhere, not just on Hilton Head Island. It is a must visit for us every year. We love it. And then we also go to Skull Creek Boathouse, which is probably our favorite seafood restaurant on the island. And wonderful food. You should definitely check it out. The price to stay here is very reasonable for what you get and the location. It's about $75 a night. And the fact that they have two large pools, laundry facilities, bathhouses, all those sorts of things, really make it a pretty good bang for your buck. When thinking about coming to Hilton Head, I mean, a condo on anywhere near the beach on Hilton Head is going to be over $2,000 for a week. So to be able to come here for $75 a night, it's pretty good. I would suggest you give it a look. Like I said, they do have some rules here regarding slide outs on your campers. Doesn't make sense to me, but there's all kinds of legal battles, I guess, between the people who own lots in here and the management office. I'm not going to comment on that because I don't know the details because I'm not an owner in here. But I will say we plan to upgrade next year to a camper that has a slide out, so I don't know where that will leave us as far as being able to come back here. But we'll see. But in the meantime, you should check it out and see if it's for you. It is a beautiful park. Like I said, pretty good bang for your buck. And not far from the beaches of Hilton Head. So thanks for watching this video, and hopefully I've given you some valuable information to help you make an informed decision on whether or not you want to try out Hilton Head Harbor RV Resort on Hilton Head Island in South Carolina. Please be sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video. And once again, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.